So this is how we have to approach the exams, and this is a unique context. If you have given CA exams and then you're writing CMA exams, it's a very different perspective than what we normally follow. So number one, you would have already prepared it for IBS or SPO. This is one. In terms of the subject, something is done recently. This is one. The second point is, if a student is individually studying for CMA exams, it is very hard for him to process the amount of data, because individually CMA is difficult for a lot of students. You can talk to CMA students, because while I was writing CMA parallelly, same, because we always have 15 days cap, 15-20 days maximum. I always got exams in the most of the papers. I got a rank as well. Again, I did not do anything differently. One thing in US, we have a default advantage because of the CA preparation. So that we have to rely. What is default advantage? The default advantage is in terms of the mindset. Now, if you look at any individual CMA student, they'll be stressed because this is their life. Now for you, you know that okay, that is a mainstream thing. This is important, of course. You want one more additional degree, why not? But you don't have to go through the same level of stress and turmoil. I think you already see the difference, right, when you're approaching. So you have to use this advantage. When you're already having an advantage in terms of mindset, you should not create artificial stress and once again screw up things. Because this approach, and the way it happened is after I wrote my CMA foundation, I liked that experience. I prepared less, I scored more. So I decided this is how I'll be writing every exam from then. So for my CA, CPT, there was some level of stress because that was the first exam and all. But here I was like, okay, this is how I want to approach. That you have to take into consideration. Now, once you enter the examination hall, definitely you won't find it as tough as a CA paper, but it will be tougher than what you're thinking. Because normally we'll do something, you'll prepare, but it will be tougher than what you're thinking. But how are you going to approach it? Now, this is a book. So one is highlighting and index mapping and all of this. You know something about everything, okay? The something about everything will give you easily 20 marks. Even yesterday with that exercise which you did, so that will give you 20 marks. And this set of questions are those exam paper, any set of questions which you see, they'll also cover another 20 marks. So no matter what, you stick to the core application of how do you get to the first 40 marks in the 2 hours. Focus on scoring 40 marks in 2 hours and write everything. That is the reason why I made you write yesterday certain topics. You should be comfortable about writing everything which you don't know. So first 2 hours, write everything you know. Next hour, write everything you don't know. That's it. 2 hours, write everything you know. Next 1 hour, write everything you don't know. So this is exactly how you have to focus on this. You have to focus on this, okay? This is exactly how you have to focus on this. And while approaching the paper, stick to the same framework. 1 hour, denominator, what are you covering? Second hour, what are you covering? First 2 hours, at least 70 marks and get to 40. And here, you'll have to score in 1 mark. I told you for tax. Even for this, you won't get a bunch of marks just like that, because the questions won't give you the scope, both in terms of numerator and denominator. Okay, so you have to pick up 2 marks. It's like a batting pitch where you have to fight for singles. Okay, you won't have to worry about time. You just operate in a relaxed manner. Okay, one quick round of box with close your eyes. Inhale, 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 hold, 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 hold. Slowly start exhaling. Exhale slowly, exhale slowly, exhale slowly, exhale slowly. Stay in the Shunyata position. Stay there for 3-4 seconds. And now relax your breathing. Okay? So, do this whenever you feel stressed, and that's it. Okay? All the best.